An African Union Executive Council sitting in Addis Ababa has unanimously adopted a legal report endorsing a mass walkout from the Rome statute that set up the International Criminal Court. African states have often accused the ICC of unfair treatment, arguing the court particularly targets Africa. Trix Ngado has the details.
A massive walkout of the International Criminal Court membership by African member states may be witnessed if a proposal by the AU Executive Council Committee of Foreign Ministers from the continent reviewing membership and relations with the Rome Statute goes through. Chaired by Ethiopia's Foreign Affairs Minister Tedros Adhanom, the committee is reviewing a report by a legal team that evaluates Africa's decisions in relation to the ICC.
We are nobody. This is not about President Bashir. This is not about Vice President Ruto. This is about us. I never have seen that kind of humiliation.
Among grievances behind the proposals is the ICC's failure to consider African Union's request to defer cases against Sudan's head of state Omar al-Bashir and Kenya's Deputy President William Ruto. Aside from this, the committee is also looking to have the ongoing African Union Summit adopt the Assembly of States Parties reaffirmation that stops the court from using recanted evidence retroactively. According to Kenya's Foreign Affairs Cabinet Secretary Amina Mohamed, the ICC has shown blatant disregard for the Assembly of State Parties that reaffirmed the non-retroactivity of the rule during its 14th session held last year.
Africa feels left out. Africa feels not listened to, Africa feels not responded to, and also Africa feels that even this time round, the only reason that we were able to make the progress that we made was because we had an African president of the Assembly of State Parties who understood the African terrain.
African leaders have over the years complained that the continent was being singled out by the ICC despite atrocities being committed elsewhere in the world. Trix Ngado, KTN News, Nairobi.